Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making matcha pancakes. So they're just beautiful, airy, fluffy, and matcha-y. That's green tea powder, if you don't know what matcha is. And it's a really delicious recipe, and we're going to top it with some beautiful fresh berries and cream. And I hope you make them because it's really delicious. And I want to eat them, that's why we're making them. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. So about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of matcha green tea powder. You can get this from any Asian supermarket. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1¼ cup of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Now, of course, you can add more if you like it to be sweet, but I don't like it too sweet with matcha. About 1 cup milk of your choice. We're using full cream milk because it's Flavia's favorite. Half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1 large egg at room temperature, half the zest of a small lemon, and then some butter for frying. I'm using salted butter because I feel it gives a lovely taste to the pancakes. And then we've got whatever you want to top them off. I feel matcha and strawberries just goes together perfectly. And then we've got a really nice chantilly cream, which we have a recipe for. You can just use whipped cream, and then some extra matcha powder for decorating if we need it. Let's get started. There's so much to do. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take all of our dry ingredients and put them in a large mixing bowl. So first we're going to sift our self-raising flour, matcha, cinnamon, and baking powder. And then we're going to add our sugar, give that a quick little mix. Then in a separate bowl, I'm going to get my egg first and whisk it until it becomes nice and frothy. You don't have to do this, but I feel it just gives a nicer, fluffier pancake. Once your egg is nice and fluffy, this took about 1.5 minutes on high speed. We're going to add our milk and our vanilla bean, and then zest in our lemon, and then give it another quick stir. Then, in our dry ingredients, we're going to make a well in the center of it, and we're going to pour our wet ingredients into them. And then we're going to use our electric mixer again to combine. Once your mixture is all beautiful and combined, we're going to go over to the stove and grab our crepe pan or frying pan and put it on a medium-high heat and melt some butter. Then we're going to scoop about 1/4 cup of batter, and we're going to let it cook until we see bubbles on the top of the pancake. Then we're going to flip it and let it cook for another 30 seconds or so. Then repeat with the remaining batter. Just a tip when you're doing the rest of the batter to stop them from burning is to reduce the heat down to a low-medium heat after making 1 or 2, because the pan holds residual heat and will cook the later ones quicker. If you want equal-sized pancakes, I recommend measuring them out with a 1/4 cup measurement. If not, go for your life. Each one is special in their own right. So if you want a really cute way to cut some strawberries into little heart shapes, what you can do is you hold up the little green leaves at the top of the strawberry and cut on the diagonal at 45 degrees, turn it slightly and cut it. And it looks like little cute hearts. Of course, you can just roughly chop your strawberries too. So we've got about 7 pancakes. Now, to assemble, I'm going to place about 4 pancakes onto a plate, slightly askew because it looks slightly imperfect, which is beautiful. And then we're going to top it with some sweet chantilly cream, which complements the beautiful, rich flavor of the matcha. If you don't have this, normal whipping cream is fine, maybe a bit of maple syrup if you want, and then top it with a lot of strawberries. It's a perfect combination. Okay guys, so that's how you make matcha pancakes. They smell incredible, and a beautiful chantilly cream on top and strawberries is just what we need. And I'm excited because Flavia hasn't tried these before, so let's eat. You haven't had much matcha stuff, have you?
No, I've had like a matcha cheesecake.
I didn't get you cutlery.
I know, I can see that. I've had like those matcha Kit Kats.
Oh yeah.
That we had once.
And so you have to get a bit of everything, some cream, some strawberries. I lost my strawberries.
I'm sorry, I'm hacking it up.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Let's go. Ooh.
Usually I'd put more sugar into my pancakes, but But because you want that kind of rich, earthy flavor of the green tea coming through, then you have the sweet cream on top and then the strawberries. It goes so well together.
I think if you put more sugar in that, you kind of lose that.
Yeah, that's why.
The intensity.
It's like I kind of know what I'm doing.
It's like you kind of know what you're doing. Yeah, that is beautiful. You know, like sometimes matcha can be bitter, but it's not at all.
I highly recommend you try it. They are delicious and they're fluffy and everything you need in life right now.
So good.
Yes, please try them. Do it now. Go, run, do it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.